Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Paxful on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening Apple web browser and go to the URL box at the top. Type in www.paxful.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Paxful, which looks like this. To log into your account, in the left-hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see two boxes. Type in your phone or your email address into the first text box and make sure to type in your email address or your phone number correct. On the next field, enter your password associated with your account. In case you don't remember your password, click Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, after you are done entering your credentials correct, click on the Login button, complete the verification puzzle. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Paxful account quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.